ona thengia wa mathukuru maigana muno makiria ma secondary gukorwo magicurania kuhinga thukuru mbere ihinda riria riagiriire ria tamu ya keri kumana na thirikari gucererwo kurekereria kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo kana capitation. Riu wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari ni ihithuritie uria mathukuru ma maigirira makoretwo makiamukira mbeca ici cia muingi.
The current allocation per learner based on the funding model does not factor in the varying needs and circumstances of the learners and schools. The capitation model, therefore, is not equitable. This conclusion was based on the following considerations. The capitation per student was based on the number of students enrolled in NEMIS. However, there were instances where the number of students enrolled in NEMIS differed with the actual enrollment as per the respective registers. AKIARIA mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kia muingi muthurimi wa uhuthiri wa kigina kia mathukuru wabici-ini no JUSTUS OKUMU erire kamiti no ati hari mathukuru 83 maria mathuthuririo 14 mari maigirira na mamukirire muigana wa ciringi mirioni 16.7 kuma kuri thirikari. Riri thukuru ingi 6 ciamukirire 889 na kenda na thengia wa gukoro irikitie kuhingwo. There were 14 schools that received capitation totaling 16,683,215. However, the schools did not appear in the County Director of Education records, while the CDs or County Directors of Education were not aware of their existence. 6 schools that received capitation amounting to 889,348 had ceased operations but received the capitation.
OKUMU ugite mihango-ini yao ya guthuthuria thukuru ici mathire icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi iria thukuru ici ciandikithitio. Indi gutire kindu makorire guku aria mandikithitio ta arugamiriri acio monanirio akaunti cia bengi iria ciamukiraga kigina giki.
I want you to say, is it that the case?
That is the case, Chair, because these are ones that we went to the ground and from the CDs they could not show us the schools.
But we have accounts and they receive the capitation. But on the ground they are not there.
They were given money but they
don't
exist.
Riboti ino ikimenereria mubango wa ihinda riri wa ugai wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo ni gukorwo gitari na uigananu iguru ria kuhotithia ungumania wa kigina kia muingi. Guko ningi murikite imwe cia thukuru ni kuhuthira kigina giki mugaru na mitaratara ya Ministry ya Githomo.
There were instances where schools withdrew cash or transferred funds from tuition accounts, contrary to the guidelines issued by the State Department for Basic Education.
Kuringana na riboti ino thirikari ni agire gutumira mathukuru muigana wa ciringi bilioni 116.9 cia mahuthiro ma arutwo ihinda-ini riri. Goko imwe cia thukuru ciamukirire kigina kiingi gukira kiria ciagiriire na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.7.
The underfunding amounted to 71 billion 22,126,504 for secondary schools as detailed in Annexure 1.
Kamiti ino ikinyaniirie kwandikira Ministry ya Githomo ikinye mbere yayo niguo gwitetera kumana na mateta maya ma wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma muingi ari itanya-ini ria guthingatithia uigirireku hari uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi.
We are going to move very fast and invite the accounting officer to respond to the queries that have been raised from the special report for capitation and infrastructural funds.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.
So it is good to see